Luckily, we're missing out on much of that snow. Blizzard warnings, though, in effect right now in the UP of Michigan. But what we do have on the underside of that storm, cloudy, colder, and very windy weather. A live look toward Lincoln Park, North Avenue Beach. It's gray. It is very windy and much colder. And there are a few flakes flying around here and there. We do have a weather alert in effect today as a wind advisory continues through 9 p.m. tonight. Otherwise, we're watching radar with just a few snow flurries. No big accumulations expected today on Thanksgiving. A little break of sun, but cold, windy weather continues. Finally, on Saturday, another weather alert goes into effect for a more impactful winter storm with widespread accumulating snow and some travel impacts if you're hitting the roads on Saturday. Here we are right now on First Alert Radar. We've had a few little blips on the radar, just a few light snow flurries. Again, a dusting in the grass, the most that you will see. A little lake enhancement heading towards southwest Michigan, not in our area. This is with strong west winds on the underside of this massive early season winter storm. Heavy snow with this one staying to our north, but the cold weather is certainly blowing in here. 33 right now in Chicago. That's the warmest we've been since sunrise, and temperatures will continue to trend downward through the rest of the afternoon and evening. Wind chills right now, biting if you're not prepared for it. 19, what it feels like on your hands in Aurora. Right now the wind chill at O'Hare 20, and that is where we stay all day. As far as the snow flurries, I mentioned a lot of it heading towards southwest Michigan today. We'll see a couple little flurries here and there, maybe a quick burst of light snow, but these flurries generally taper off and head toward Michigan by 5 and 6 p.m. On Thanksgiving Day, it's cold, it's windy, but it's dry. Look for mostly cloudy skies, temperatures near freezing all afternoon. That'll be our coldest Thanksgiving Day in Chicago in 11 years with wind chills as low as the teens. Here we are with another weather alert on Saturday, though, a significant winter storm, this time bringing snow to our area instead of north. A first look at accumulation shows widespread 3 to 6 inch totals expected, maybe a couple higher totals than that as we look towards Sunday, a better travel day with snow exiting the area by midday as it looks right now. So a weather alert in effect today, very windy, 34 degrees. We don't go above freezing on Thursday or Black Friday before the next winter storm on Saturday. Look at next week, low temperatures in the single digits thanks in part to the snowpack that we expect on the ground by then.